Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Polina and I welcome you to the webinar Introduction to GLPI Network Cloud. GLPI Network Cloud is a powered by open source all-in-one cloud platform, offering all features of GLPI on-premise and some services like backups, updates, and exclusive plugins. We'll have a short demo of all main features so you can evaluate the capacity of the platform. Let's start.
For the beginning, I want just to share some information regarding GLPI Network Cloud. What are their advantages and why it's more convenient to use GLPI Network Cloud platform in some cases. First of all features which are available in normal GLPI on-premise version, they are also available on cloud platform. Another thing is that you don't need specific technical knowledge because the GLPI Network Cloud platform was designed as a plug-and-play platform. We offer to all our users to create an account, which takes only 2 minutes, and start using it right away. All the environment is available. You just need to enable some plugins and configure some settings. For example, customize GLPI, add the corporate logo, define SLAs, and so on. We also offer some services such as updates, backups, and the support of level 3 unlimited. We're going to talk about it a bit later. And now just some words about GLPI in numbers. So GLPI is used in 186 countries. It's available in 47 languages. We use the platform Transifex to manage all the translations. So if for some reason you don't see the translation in your native language, or you just want to improve this translation, we invite everyone to join us on that platform. This is the static pictures of GLPI Network Cloud instances deployed. And we are going to jump right to the features. As I mentioned before, on GLPI Cloud, you can use all the functionality of GLPI. That would be the asset management, CMDB, the Helpdesk, the financial management, project management, administration, and configuration. Let's get into that. So as per asset management, in GLPI, you can manage hardware, software, and data centers. After the next slide, I'm going to show a little live demonstration, so you can see it yourself. We provide the numerous advanced features for inventory, and from GLPI version 10, we also offer native inventory. So you don't have any plugin as before. You can use this native feature. So this is some of you already know how GLPI Cloud looks like, or if this is version 10, the most advanced and the latest GLPI version. If you don't have so far the account, you can easily visit our official website and just click on Start Demo, which is going to take you to the GLPI Network Cloud website. So as per asset management, this is the homepage of GLPI, and in here you can see that right now on my dashboard is displayed assistance. you can select, for example, Central, which is going to display on the left the CMDB part and on the right the Helpdesk part. You can easily manage these dashboard just clicking here on this little icon, and you can delete some tabs from here. You can also edit them. For example, you can change the widgets. You can select the data displayed. You can select the background color. So it's completely customizable. You can also share it with your colleagues or whoever you would like to share it with. There is a direct link. You can also use the presentation mode. But for now, let's jump into the CMDB section. Very important point would be that you can access all the information directly from the dashboards. You don't have to go inside the menu and select, for example, we would go to the computers. So you go directly to all the inventorized computers. Let's click on one. All the information displayed is available with a native inventory feature. You can access to the, for example, manufacturer of your computer. You can assign the technician. You can see where it is located, and all the information on the left side, for example, the information regarding the operating system, regarding all the software installed, and the antiviruses installed. And also I should mention that all the assets could be linked to the Helpdesk. This means that you can link them to the tickets, you can link them to the problems, changes, and there is also some interconnection with their financial part of GLPI. For example, certificates, or if there are any kind of reservation and so on. Another interesting feature is the impact analysis. You can create the relationship links between the assets to have the complete picture of your IT infrastructure. For example, if there is any problem or any ticket related to the asset, you can go and you can check how this problem or how this change will affect the workflow. So this is for the asset management part. We should jump to the Helpdesk part. So the Helpdesk in GLPI really can help you to organize the support very easily. So we offer the classic tickets, problems, changes. You can check the statistics, and there is also a very interesting plugin which we recommend to use. It's called Form Creator. I'm going to show it to you a bit later. So as a very popular question is if you can create the tickets in GLPI outside the portal, if you can create a ticket, for example, using the email. Yes, absolutely, you can do this. So there are basically three ways. There is a way to create a ticket from the portal. There is a way to create a ticket using Form Creator plugin, so the form. And then you can do this using the emails. As as per form creator, we use this plugin actually for our website. If you click on the contact, it's going to take you to the form. So this is the perfect example of forms you can use. They are multilingual, which means that you can translate the content to different languages. So let's check the assistance part. As with asset parts, we also offer the dashboard, which can be managed and edited in the same way as I showed before. And you can access directly the tickets or whatever information which is displayed on this dashboard. So for the tickets, this is the general overview. This is how it looks like for the super admins or administrators, the technician in charge. On the right, you can see all the information related to the ticket. For example, if there are any service level assigned, the actors, like the requester, observers, and so on. The information regarding related to the ticket, the opening date, the type, status. You can toggle this to have a better view, or you can actually make it smaller. So all the tickets are also interconnected with the asset part, as I mentioned. So if there is any ticket mentioned in the asset, it would be visible on the impact and impact analysis chart. And for the actions available for the ticket, you can, let's click in here. From the version 10, we have a rich text available. And you can also create a task based on the ticket. You can add a solution, or you can attach the document, or you can ask for validation. It is important to mention that for the Helpdesk, we offer, in general, in GLPI, we have two types of interface. So as you can see, that's the self-service and that's a standard interface. Because we offer, for GLPI Network Cloud, the price is 19 euros per user with standard interface. Standard interface means the interface with the admin rights. So all the users with their self-service interface, which is also called simplified, they don't have the access to the admin part of GLPI. They are all free and unlimited on GLPI Network Cloud. So some information which we already discussed regarding the tickets that we offer, requests, incidents, problems, changes. What is important in here to mention is the entities. Because the entities in GLPI, they have actually a crucial part. Entities are very important if you want to use, if you have more than one department, or for example, if you have more than one office and you would like to distinguish the group of users, you would like to assign different access rights to these users. For that, the entities are very helpful. By default, there is a root entity in GLPI, and all the information, all the knowledge base articles, the frequently asked question articles, it's all available for everyone. So if you want to define some rules and to define some access rights, you have to configure entities as well. The form creator plugin, I'm just displaying this so you know the name. This is the plugin which I mentioned before, and this is a great plugin to create the forms, as it implies from its name. In GLPI, as I also mentioned a bit earlier, the financial management the financial management module is available. So you can find it under the management in here, and you can track some expenses, for example, licenses, budgets, suppliers, and so on. All this information is linked to the assets. For example, contracts. You can see if there is any contract assigned to the assets, or there is also certificates. If there are any certificates, you can also track the expiry dates with this model. So it's very useful. And with the new GLPI version 10, it's even easier to use and link and interconnect all the information between the assets and this financial part. There is a part of the project management in GLPI. It already existed, but now it has a better interface. The new thing is Kanban board for all the assistant parts. So in here, in the assistant part, if we go to the tickets, you can see that there is a global Kanban. And usually that display you all their tickets per their status. So the new, like process, pending, solved, and so on. The administration model, it contains important settings for GLPI rules, entities, and profiles. Entities, we discussed them a little bit. So entities are important to distinguish the users and to assign different access rights. The profiles are important to assign the right interface and the right profile to each employee. And there is also GLPI rules. These are business rules helping you to manage Helpdesk in the better and more professional way. For the configuration, in the configuration part, basically you can customize GLPI. You can define SLAs, you can edit the notification, you can edit the authentication. The very popular question is if we have LDAP. Yes, we do. So you can sync your user database to GLPI. You can discover the plugins. And of course, you can customize, you can brand GLPI. So it aligns with your company. As LDAP is a very, very popular request. So this is some small instruction. For GLPI Network Cloud, we also have a knowledge base available. It is free access, instruction storage, instruction database. So if you have any questions, as GLPI Network Cloud is mostly a self-service platform, if you have any question, you can just simply go to the knowledge base and you can check all the you can use the search, and you can check step-by-step guides on many related to many technical questions. What makes different GLPI Network Cloud from GLPI is that for the price of 19 euros per user with standard interface per month, you have some services included. First of all, and very important one, is that we offer free data migration from on-premise. So if you're using GLPI old version and you would like to upgrade it, you can just freely migrate to GLPI Network Cloud. Also, there are some plugins included, updates, backups, and our support of level 3 unlimited. For the plugins, I should mention that you have them in, you can see all their plugins installed in the setup. And also you can use the Discover tab. So here they are arranged by the functionality. And to install a plugin, it's pretty easy. You just click on, you can also see that if there is any new version available or no. And you can just toggle here to enable them. And that's pretty straightforward. That's a straightforward process. As per configuration, you just click and then you go directly to the configuration of the plugin. All the prices are displayed on GLPI Network Cloud website, but also you can check that we have two. Basically, we offer two options. That's a public cloud and the private cloud. The difference is in the features and the storage we offer. So all this information is available, and if you would like to migrate, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through our website.